Hi students, it is very important question. Without this question you will not have your question paper on public examination. The question is define law of diminishing marginal utility and what are the assumptions of it. It is very important question. It is a consumer behavior. It will explain about the consumer behavior. This will be, you can find in the second chapter of intermediate. Even that CBSE, IB and all these people also having this. Everybody will have this question. It is very important. This question I am going to explain in a 3 parts. This is A, first part. So in this, actually what are the things, side headings will be there means introduction, meaning, definition, assumptions, total utility, marginal utility, table, explanation of table, graph, explanation of graph. Again I am telling you, these are the things which are very important. Introduction, meaning, definition, assumptions, total utility, marginal utility, table, explanation of table, graph, explanation of graph. So in this class, in A part, I am going to explain the 3 things. Introduction, meaning, definition. See, in this class, what I would like to explain is a consumer behavior, how he has changed. In 1854, H.H. Gusson found 2 laws depends upon consumer behavior. In 1854, H.H. Gusson found 2 laws depends upon consumer behavior. And in 1871, W.S. Jevons gave the names. In 1871, W.S. Jevons gave the names. Law of diminishing marginal utility is the first law of Gusson's and law of equine marginal utility is the second law of Gusson's. Again I am repeating. The law of diminishing marginal utility is the first law of Gusson's and law of equine marginal utility is the second law of Gusson's. In 1890, Alfred Marshall developed both the laws in his book Principles of Economics. Principles of Economics. So my dear students, in the introduction there are 3 things you are supposed to write. 1854 about the Gussons, 1871 about the W.S. Jevons, in 1890 Alfred Marshall. He will be there throughout the first year in economics. You are supposed to remember. Most of the people, because they remember number of times only, they read about Alfred Marshall. If anybody asks who is the father of economics, means Alfred Marshall, they said. No, father of economics is Adam Smith. But modern father of economics is Paul Samuelson. You should remember that. The father of economics is Adam Smith, not Alfred Marshall. The people, number of times they keep on listening, keep on reading definitions and he discussed all the things. That is the reason. Alfred Marshall, the people you said. No, Alfred Marshall is not the father of economics. Adam Smith is the father of economics. Now, next one is the meaning. What is the meaning? Meaning is, if a person is continuously consuming any commodity and he prepared to, suppose apples, he prepared to continuously consuming, then the additional unit whenever he consumes, that ultimately the marginal utility means when you are consuming extra apple, whatever the extra utility you are getting, that is called marginal utility, the additional utility. So when we are explaining the table, then you will understand about this properly. This is part A only. In B and C also there. If you can understand in that. The last one is a definition. Because the Alfred Marshall is explained, we should consider Alfred Marshall definition. In the definition you can understand the maximum. See, the additional benefit which a person derives from a given increase of his stock of a thing diminishes with every increase of the stock that he already has. According to Alfred Marshall. Means the additional benefit means additional commodity whenever you are consuming, then it will be called as additional benefit. So you should understand that a man is continuously consuming additional apple. One apple you consume. The second apple, it is additional apple. Third apple, it is additional apple. So each apple, whatever the utility you are deriving, this is called additional utility. This is also called as the marginal utility. So you should understand this, that introduction, meaning, definition I have explained in this class, and B means law of diminishing marginal utility in the B class. So the rest of the things, assumptions, total utility, marginal utility, I am going to explain. Thank you, my dear students. The thing is, if you have any doubts, contact me. That number was given in the description. Please subscribe to our channel and keep bell icon all. Thank you one and all.